Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing this makeup look, and this is my very simple and easy summer makeup routine. And if you like this kind of videos, then it helps me a lot if you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, because I make new videos every Monday and Thursday. And you can also follow me on Instagram, but if you want to see how I do this, then just keep on watching. Okay, so to start this look, I'm going to prime my face with a fixing spray. It's the Kiko Prime and Fix Refreshing Mist. This feels really fresh, so it's really nice. And for my face, I'm going to do kind of a light coverage thing, only covering mostly my dark circles, my red areas, and also a few blemishes. And for that I'm using the Kiko Full Coverage 2-in-1 foundation and concealer. And please don't mind my nails because they are very chipped, but I have mentioned that on my last video. Okay, so this one has a really nice coverage, and this is a foundation and concealer, so I don't need much to have a really nice coverage. And I find this one very useful for everyday basis. I kind of feel like with only a little bit you get a really nice coverage and very quick. And to set the foundation, I'm using the Kiko Gold Waves Powder Foundation. Now this one will add a little bit more coverage, and also this has SPF 50, so I really love this one for summer. Then I usually take this one with me. For bronzer, I'm using one from that same collection. It's the Gold Waves bronzer. You've seen me use this a lot of times. And I also take a large eyeshadow brush. This is the Jessup Luxe All Over shader, and I take the bronzer to give just a little bit depth to the eyes. It's kind of very simple look. I mean, again, it's an everyday makeup look. And this actually looks really cute for the summer. So I do kind of all over the lid and focus a little bit on the crease. For blush, I'm using the Kiko Lipgloss blush that looks like this. This one has a little bit of a shimmer. I really like the color of this, but I just take a little bit. And then for highlighter, I really like the Glow Commotion from W7. This is kind of a more deep gold or champagne color that I think that now that I'm more tanned, it works really well. For my brows, I'm just doing something very simple. I'm using the Cien Brow Perfect pencil and also the eyebrow gel, just filling in a little bit. I really like the color of this pencil. It's It's very easy to use. I also want to take a little bit of the bronzer on the lower lash line. Okay, so now that I got my brows done, I'm also going to add highlighter to the brow bone area and to the inner corner. So bringing it a little bit on the inner part of my lid. Then I always love to see a little bit of black on the waterline. I don't even care that some people say it closes the eye. I feel on myself that I look more awake with black on my waterline. So that's what makeup is really about. You do you. So I'm using the Kiko Everlasting Kajal. Then for mascara, I like to use the L'Oreal Paradise Ecstatic, but the waterproof version. Okay, and then with such a simple look, I usually like to use kind of a more bold lipstick. And I just went to Kiko the other day and I got another one of the Unlimited Double Touch liquid lipsticks. They come in these really elegant boxes. And I bought this one on their summer sale for €6.29. And this is in the shade 114, and this one is called Orange Red, I think. So this is what the lipstick looks like. You got on this side the color, and it does take a little bit to dry, but it dries matte if you want to use it on its own, or you got the gloss on this side. And these are super long wearing liquid lipsticks. So I'm gonna use it. Okay, and as I said, this does take a little bit to dry, but I'm just going to give it a little bit, and then I'm also going to use the gloss on top. Okay, so that is the lips with the gloss on top. And again, I'm just using the Fix and... It's not the Fix and Perfect, that's the one from Primark. It's the Prime and Fix. So basically that is it for a very simple everyday makeup routine, really suitable for summertime. And I mean, sometimes I can do a little bit more work with eyeshadow, I can do something a little bit different with my lips, but mostly that is it. And of course, I don't wear makeup every day in the summer. Some days you just want to get out the door, it's so hot, you can't be bothered to put on makeup. So yeah, let me know in the comments below what are your summer makeup habits. And if you liked this video, it helps me a lot if you give me a thumbs up. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, it's free and it helps me so much. And I make videos every Monday and Thursday. And yeah, that is everything for for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!